What's up, guys? I'm back. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because I'm bringing you content every Sunday. So let's get right into this video. Okay, y'all. So today we are going to be talking about the styling of the do-it-yourself holy jeans. Okay. So I hope y'all are ready to style your holy jeans. So go ahead and get ready. But what I did today, I really want to show you a boyfriend look because my jeans are actually oversized and I really wanted to fill out these Aaliyah vibes. Okay. So on the first look, I really want to do this fitted hat with these vintage shades, and then I really just paired the pants with this cropped strong shoulder tee, like this basic white tee. And then to bring in a little bit of color and a little extra dimension to the pants, I grabbed these strappy sandals and I made sure it tied at the bottom of the jeans. That's what's giving it that extra dimension. So that is an easy style hack that you can do to some wide leg, some jeans that are not skinny. Just tie it with your strappy sandals. You can grab some hair ties, some ribbons, things like that, and get yourself into this style hack because you can really do something with this. Especially grab these ribbons and then put a few different bows on the side and then bam. And then if you're not wearing the strappy sandals, you can wear some cute little heels and that gives it an extra pizzazz. Okay, so sometimes you want to diversify these looks and it's easy small ways that you can do it, like this style hack as you see here. Also in the second look, I really wanted to take it back to some of my roots. Y'all know that I am from a small town in Mississippi, so I wanted to give country girl vibes. So I had to bring out the cowgirl boots, okay? Who here is ready to line dance? Y'all, I love to dance, but I'm really not that great at it. But I'll be out there on the dance floor anyway. But anywho, this second look is more of country girl vibes. I really brought this oversized button-down shirt as you've seen in other videos. If you haven't seen it, you should definitely go back and watch once you finish this video. But I really just brought it slightly off the shoulder, give it a little more sexiness to it, and crop the top with these oversized holy jeans, and then the cowgirl boots, and then the brown version of this hat I am wearing now. Y'all, it was serving. And let me know what you think in the comments because for me, these were serving. Tell me what you think in the comments, what you would have done differently. And if you're inspired by these looks or these DIY jeans, definitely tag me on Facebook and Instagram at Royal Blue by Priscilla. And you can also follow my Etsy page. And there's things like this that you would like for me to offer on my Etsy shop, definitely comment below. Or you can send me a DM. Otherwise, what story would you like told the Royal Blue by Priscilla way? All right, guys. See you next time. Peace.